Oh, look at this beautiful creature. It's taking a morning bath. Wow. He's really getting into it. Yeah, wash your chest. Yeah, make sure it's clean. Yeah, rub it some more. Yeah. That's right. Pay attention to every detail. I wish human beings would pay more attention to details like that. Because, boy, some people are. Ooh, it's washing his booty. Close your eyes, y'all. Give it a moment. Oh, okay. Shake your tail feather. Yeah, get that in there. Clean it. Clean. What's going on over here? Oh, it's another one. Oh, it's taking a dunk. Oh my God, I wish I could be out there with it. But I can't even swim to save my life. And did we just see a butterfly? Wow, look at that. That must be a really good bath. Yes, we did see a butterfly. Oh, here you go. Getting breakfast in the morning. Sweet nectar. Nature is so beautiful. My gosh. Wow. I wish I could live like these creatures. Maybe.